Good morning. Today we will discuss about the principle of preventions by specific way. You know that the in general way, what are the precautions, what are the prevention from the diseases. Today we will discuss about the specific way. What do you means by specific way? Means when any microbes enters into your body, your immune system will be respond and make a type of antibody and fight against it specifically. But once any person suffering from this type of disease and makes antibodies, this disease not will not produced again in same body. For example, hundred of years ago, the smallpox is a disease which spread all over the world like a epidemic, such as corona disease is spread all over the world. This is an epidemic. And same in earlier 100 years ago, smallpox is also a epidemic. But some persons will recover from the smallpox, or some persons at that time was recovered from a smallpox because their body made a type of antibody which fight with the smallpox viruses and kill them. But these smallpox viruses do not attack again in that type of person who recovered from the smallpox, because a type of memory will be developed in your immune system for the smallpox viruses. A number of antibody are present in your body which fight against the smallpox when again infect your body or when again infect to anybody. Let us see in detail. We take an example such as any microbes which enters into your body. Your immune system will be respond and make let us see microbes which enters in your body. The number is 100 microbes enters in your bodies, and for this your immune system, your lymphocyte cells made 200 antibody, and these antibody have ability to fight, to kill these microbes. Let us see, 100 antibody are used to kill the 100 of microbes, and 100 antibody will remains as such in your body, and then you will recover. Even 100 of antibodies remain as such in your body in the form of memory, in the form of a type of memory, and you will recover and you will disease free. After 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, again these smallpox viruses attack in your body. These 100 of antibodies which remain in your body is now active vigorously. It will active and kills quickly to the microbes. And then microbes could not able to increase their number. And these microbes do not able to produce smallpox disease, because when a number which is less, almost 10 microbes enter in your body, and there is a large number of antibody in comparison to microbes, and then it will be killed to the viruses. So these are the reason, once any person had a smallpox, they do not produce further smallpox disease after anywhere 10 or 20 years after. It will not produce again, because their body have a memory, or their body have a remains antibody in the body. And this is a basis of preparing vaccines. What do you mean by vaccines? Vaccine is it may be protein, it may be dead microbes. For example, if any dead microbes, inactive, dead microbes are protein. When any dead microbes or proteins or any inactive microbes which do not produce any type of disease, we take a inactive or dead microbes of the smallpox, or you can say we take a dead microbes of the polioviruses. It will not produce any type of disease. We will inoculate, we will introduce these inactive dead microbes into the body of the any person. Then their immune system becomes active and form a number of antibody against these dead microbes, which do not have any capacity to producing disease, but your body already makes a type of antibody. But when really or real microbes of smallpox attack in your body, and he will find a ready-made antibody present in your body, and that antibody attacks and kills the microbes immediately. This is a process of vaccination. Vaccine are, what are the vaccine? Vaccine are inactive dead microbes, or you can say inactive proteins, which are similar to the smallpox. Vaccine are inactive dead microbes which activate your immune system.